for letting us know regarding with this. Actually po, meron po kami issue
Mhm.
for videos that was posted po na nagagawang, I mean, na
So guys, nagka-doble-doble po yung pinost ko na connected sa long form video. So ang nangyari, nag-auto reels po siya. So guys, kung kayo po ay latest po yung mobile nyo, wag nyo na pong i-connect kasi nag-auto reels po siya, naging dalawa kasi nag-upload na ako ng isa. So guys, pakinggan nyo yung conversation namin nung Meta support kasi nag-complain ako sa kanila about doon at sabi nga may glitch din. Ina-advise niya na delete ko na lang yung yung nag-auto reel since yun naman yung mababa ang views. So guys, pakinggan nyo po yung aming conversation.
Hi Johnson, thank you so much for answering my call. Before we proceed, please be aware that this call will be recorded, kept for 90 days and used for quality and training purposes. Do you consent to the call being recorded?
Yes.
Alright, thank you so much. And just to confirm, your concern today is regarding your content that you posted for Reels, is that right?
Yeah, actually I just concerned that the all long form video, it's automatic reels even though I did not do it because all my long form video it's already connected with my reels. So it means my long form video already have reels. Then they have auto reels also my long form video. So it means two reels now with the same one video only.
Alright, thank you for clarifying your concern.
Yeah, so my question, maybe that's why I just contacting to Meta support, maybe I got a violation for this because already two reels video.
I don't understand that one, Sir Johnson. By the way, sir, are you a Filipino?
Yes.
Oh, hi, sir. I'm a Filipino too.
Ay,
talking.
Kabayan po pala kayo, madam.
Yes. If you would like to talk to Tagalog, sir, I can speak also Tagalog if you give the consent for us to speak.
Yeah, mas okay po pag Tagalog para since
Sige, sir.
Filipino naman po tayong dalawa. Yes po.
Apo. Apo. Since nakamiss din magsalita ng Tagalog din.
Nasa UK po ba kayo, ma'am?
Apo.
Okay.
Apo, sir. So, regarding sa concern nyo, yung na-post yung video, nag-automatic. Sir, thank you po for letting us know regarding with this. Actually po, meron po kaming issue for videos that was posted po na nagagawang, nagiging reels din sa mga post nyo. So, by the way, sir, would that be fine po if I close this chat since nandito na tayo sa phone ko?
Yes. It's okay po. Sige po.
Okay. Maraming salamat po. Okay, let me just end the chat. Alright, so I just send it, sir. Normally, sir, what I'm gonna do sa account nyo, i-send ko po to sa aming relevant team since alam naman na po nila na meron po kaming issue or like a technical issue po sa ganitong content po sa Facebook nyo. So, no worries po. Ang gagawin ko is isasubmit ko po ito sa aming internal team para po ma-receive nila yung report sa your account po. And then they will check this.
Okay ma'am, sige po. Kasi nagwo-worry po ako kasi in case, kasi nagka-doble-doble na po yung upload. So, may chance po ako na magkaroon ng violation. Kaya ni-report ko po agad.
Oo nga po, sir. So, no worries, sir. Isa-send ko naman po ito sa aming internal team para ma-check po yung account nyo. And regarding po sa na-post nyo, sir, na doble, would that be fine po if you can delete na lang po yung isa since pwede po siyang ma-flag na cross-posting po sa account to make sure na wala pong
alin po yung i-delete ko doon yung nag-auto reels?
Wait lang po, sir. Check ko lang po.
Kasi po, lahat po talaga ng long form video ko, nakakonect po siya sa Reels. So, mayroon na rin siyang Reels na 90 seconds.
Okay.
So, mas marami ang views po noon. Yung nag-auto Reels kasi paunti-unti, so nalalaman mo talaga na ano.
Kung ganun sir, hayaan nyo na muna tuloy since i-check naman po yan ng system namin, ng aming team. So, alam naman na nila na may issue kami regarding this kind of technical issue sa account nyo. So, please don't worry po. Yeah, I can see that you have a lot of views sa content nyo.
Yes po, mas marami ang views po dun sa yung ginawa ko na kinunik ko na siya sa Reels. Yung nag-auto Reels, tag ano lang siya, 100 views.
Opo.
So anong kasi as of now kasi ang content ko kasi mga tutorial. So anong maisa-suggest mo na ipapayo ko sa kanila regarding for this na ano, nagdo-double i-delete ba nila or hindi na if in case? Kasi marami din po nagtatanong kasi sa akin since nga naka-blue badge ako.
I don't understand that one, sir, na yun po yung content nyo. As of now po, ang mahalaga is makasabit po kami ng report from sa internal team namin para ma-check po yung account na merong problema or glitch sa account nyo. So, mas okay, sir, kung mag-report a problem po through the account na meron sila ng glitch.
Okay, pag in case na nangyari sa kanila yung ganito, so i-advise ko na lang sa kanila na mag-submit na lang po ng report. Kasi hindi po sila naka-blue badge. Pag hindi po kasi naka-blue badge, ma'am, matagal po yung reply. Hindi kagaya nito na naka-blue badge ako, parang a minute lang, nandyan na agad kayo, oo.
Opo. Ganun po talaga, sir. Since actually, ang ma-assist din po lang namin is yung may mga blue badge. Yun po ang benefits ng Meta Verified. Pag may blue badge kayo, you can have a live support like us po. And you can have a support from us. So, dun po, sir, sa videos na doble na in-upload nyo, I already submitted a report po sa aming team. And kindly wait na lang po sa aming team mag-message po sa support inbox nyo once done na po yung process. So, as of now, continue posting na lang po. If ever na meron nangyari, you can delete the other one, yung na-double po, sir, na post. Or, it is better po kung yung original na lang para kung sakaling baka pag dinelete mo yung original, baka yung isa po maiwan din. Since mas marami yung views ng isa, ano po.
Hindi kasi ang nangyari po, yung auto reels, kaunti lang yung view. Pag i-delete ko yung original, mas marami ang views po noon.
Okay po. Yung auto reels na lang, sir, since yun naman po ang nagbigay ng glitch dun sa post na yung content na pinost nyo. Since hindi naman talaga siya dapat na yun yung ipopost mo na, sir. So, yun na lang po, sir, ang gawin nyo since I already submitted the report for this from our internal team and they will be checking this for you. So, as of now, if ever mangyari man po, you can just delete the other one, okay?
So, delete ko na lang po, ma'am, yung yung nag-auto reels.
Opo, sir.
Siya, sige, ma'am. Salamat po sa...
Para po ma-avoid yung restriction sa account.
Yes, exactly.
Kasi
That's what I'm concerned.
Opo, sir. Sige, submit ko lang po ito, sir.
Yes po, yes po.
Okay, done. So, your Facebook account is Gelson Dagos Bendibel. Ano po?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First time po ba, sir, mangyari ito sa account niyo?
Actually, first time po ito nangyari. Pero nakita ko po sa mga iba na nagkaganito na rin sila before.
Okay.
Pero sa akin, first time po na nangyari itong ganito.
Okay po. Sige po, ilagay ko din po yan the first time.
Actually po kasi ma'am sa iPhone user, pag nag-upload ka kasi ng video, which is mayroon siya doon na pwede mo na siyang i-connect sa iyong Reels.
Opo.
Oh, so-
yung latest po yung app nyo. Ano,
Latest po yung iPhone ko. So, pag in case na ganyan po yung mangyayari, so hindi ko na siya i-connect kasi mag-auto-connect pala siya.
Okay, sir. Depende po yun, sir, sa inyo. Pag gamit po, sir, na since I already submit naman po ng report and wait na lang po sa support inbox nyo yung steps na pwede nyo gawin regarding this kind of issue, and we are working entirely po to resolve this. And as of now, yun lang po muna masasuggest namin. Kindly delete na lang po yung nadobleng post.
Yes po. Sige ma'am, thank you.
Apo. Maraming salamat, sir, sa pag-report nito and sa pag-unawa niyo po sa ganitong concern. No worries po, ma-resolve din naman po ito ng aming internal team.
Okay ma'am, Kat, thank you so much.
You're most welcome, Sir Joel. So, may I know po if meron na po kayong ibang concern so that I can assist you sa account niyo po.
Yun lang po ma'am, yun lang po ang aking concern.
Maraming salamat po. And by the way, Sir Johnson, would that be fine po if I ask you kung pwede ko na i-close tong ticket as resolved for today, since I have already forwarded this to our internal team to further check your account and the glitches na nangyayari.
Sure po, sige po.
Maraming salamat, sir. And actually, sir, may tatanong lang po sana ako if kung pwede po kayo mag-participate sa survey namin.
Yes, of course. I did. Lagi ko pong ginagawa yan. No worries.
Maraming
Sige
salamat,
po.
Sir Johnson.
Okay, ma'am.
It will help us also.
Thank you.
So, isend ko lang po yun sa chat ngayon.
Sure. Sige po.
Okay, maraming salamat, sir. So, I already sent it po, and I hope all the best sa mga earnings pa na ma-receive niya sa account niya on Facebook.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sir. Thank you for the time at the protein. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.